Right. Guys, welcome back to Line. Today we're talking about display network. Till now we have finished search network. Today is about display network. Let me show the sample how the display network look like. So this is one of my website where we're giving some material. So when I open this website, you might have seen some ad here, the blue host banner ad, and down here, Pawan, you observe this, right?
Yeah.
So this is the banner ad. Whether now assume that customer come here to read the article about how to create Facebook conversion tracking and all. Suddenly they saw this ad. See, they might be interested or not, but they see this. So if any company looking for branding, this will help you. So if you want to do a branding for a company, you can go for this kind of ad. So there are so many ads like this. Let me open edtv.com, Times of India. So here also they're writing some ads. See the ad here. So how to find whether it's a Google ad or not? So put your cursor here, ads by Google, you will see it. And let me open some article here. I'm opening an article on this, and let's see where the ad is coming. So there are different kinds of ads over here. So many ads are there. This is also an ad. Okay. So what I meant to say is when you open some websites, you will see the ads. This comes under display network ad. Not only this, when you open YouTube, when you play a video on YouTube as well, you will see some ads. Not the video ads, but the banner ads. Let me show you something ODMT. Playing a video here. One second. One second. Yes, so this is the video ad, guys. So I don't want to talk about that ad. While you're watching the YouTube videos, down some banner ad will appear. Same like this, you will see some ads. Have you observed this, guys?
Yes, sir.
So that is also part of a display. So let me explain the display ad now. So display ad. You see the ad type here, how it is. It's a banner. So we can call it as image or banner ad or rich media interactive ad. Rich media interactive ad is nothing but the ad will be in such a way that ad is not static, it's keep on floating. Here it is something like this. Let me open incognito window. Because of the remarketing, the same Bluehost ad is coming. I open something else. Let's see what happens. See here, a different kind of ad is coming. This is also ad. Okay. Anyway, rich media interactive ad is nothing. This is a normal image or banner ad, but rich media interactive ad in such a way that the text will float, same like a GIF. Some kind of animation will be there. So they're all called HTML5 ads as well. So display ad. Ad type is image, banner, rich media ads. You know when amount will be deducted from the advertiser? When it comes to normal search network, now I'm searching something on Google, digital marketing course in Hyderabad. Where someone click, then only amount will be deducted. But here, customer is searching. They have an intention of buying a product, buying a service. So conversion will be more. But here, customer came to read something else and ad is appearing. So mostly, customer will not click and take a decision. Okay, this is not that much useful than this. That's why this is cheaper, and only companies will use this for a branding actually. Same like a TV ad. While you watching IPL, you might have seen the cred ad. Cred. Many times the cred ad came. You might not take cred immediately, but there was some kind of impact on you that in the future you will buy the cred. Same thing. Okay. So this works on CPC, cost per click. This works on impression. So the bidding is called CPM. CPM is nothing but cost per mile or cost per thousand impressions. 1,000 times your ad appeared, you have to pay some amount. So CPM. In this also people use CPC, CPV, but CPM is the mostly used one because people use branding only here. And where your ad appears, guys? Any guess? Where your ad appears? On
On the sidebar,
what sidebar?
like I don't
Website,
forward.
right?
Yes, on the website.
Your ad is appearing on the website. So ad will appear on the website. But website is not the correct answer. Why? Because you also created one website, right?
Yes.
Like tech.wozy.in. This is the website you created. But have you seen ads on your website?
No, sir, I haven't.
There are no ads on this website. And there is a website called Amazon.in. Does Amazon have ads? Does Amazon websites displays other ads?
No, sir. Yes.
Why they don't show ads? If they start showing ads, then Flipkart ad will appear. Correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whereas your website, maybe you're ready to show ads, but you're not eligible. Your website is not eligible to show the ads because in order to show the ads, Google have some parameters. Whereas Amazon have a eligibility, but they don't want to show ads. So there are three kinds of websites. Websites they don't want to show ads because they already have service. They want to showcase that. They want to make money by selling the product, not by ads. Second, websites. They want to show ads, but they are not eligible. Like your website, you want to make money with the ads. You're writing different blogs, but you don't want. You're not eligible because according to Google, at least your website should be 6 months old. You have a good traffic, then all the approved. Finally, websites they want to make money with ads, and Google approved it. These are called Google Display Partner websites or Google Display Network. Anything you can say. Google Display Partner website or Google Display Network. So someone asks you where your ad will appear, don't say websites. Just say that Google Display Network or Google Display Partner websites. There only ad will appear. Websites are apps who are eligible to show the ads, there only your ad will appear. Next, on YouTube also ad will appear. Just now I told you, right? While you're watching YouTube videos as well, down the banner ad will appear. Okay. So display ad, Ad type is image, banner, rich media interactive ad, and bidding type is CPM. On Google Display Networks and on YouTube and mobile apps, ad will appear. How to target the ad? When it comes to search network, how will we target the ads, guys? How are we targeting ads? Search
According to
network,
the location, keywords.
location and keywords main.
Yes.
Like if you see digital marketing course in Hyderabad, someone searching here, they said that clearly someone searching for this keyword, show my ad. And particularly in Hyderabad or India, they mentioned it. Here, display network is cheaper, but who are seeing this ad is very important. If complete Hyderabad, assume that you target by location. Throughout Hyderabad will see your digital marketing ad. What is the use? No, right? You should filter by age as well. Like 21 to 35 is my target audience. Next, gender. There are some ads only female you want to show, like this cosmetic products. There is no point of showing to the male. There are some products you want to show it to the male only. So you can filter by age, you can filter by gender as well. So complete demographics. Next, there is some option called affinity as well. Affinity means interest based. How does Google know about your interest? Based on your browse, today you open a YouTube channel, okay? Today you open a YouTube video. Next day when you open, whatever you watched yesterday, the same suggestions will come, right?
Yes, sir.
So because Google know your history, so Google not only one day history from the past 10 days, from the past 1 month, from the past 1 year, what is his interest? Based on that, it will show the ad. So affinity is nothing but based on all these things, they have a categories like banking and finance. Like Google categorized Pawan into Pawan is more interested in banking and finance. It is asking the advertiser, would you like to target the people who are interested in banking and finance, travel, food? So group of people you can target. So that is called affinity. So location, age, gender, affinity. Then we have few more things. Today I'll discuss few only. We'll make two videos on this display because this is very broader. Next, we have option called keywords. We have option called placement. Keyword, you know what? Whenever you're visiting the website, you're not searching anything. You're not at all searching anything. So there is no point of this keyword. Someone searching, no, it's not correct. I'll tell you what exactly this keyword is about. Just focus on this. Okay, let's see this. I'm taking an example of Dr. Batra. Dr. Batra, they have many services, mostly into hair fall, hair transplantation. You want to show the ad. Selected that location is Hyderabad and age group is between 30 to 45 years of age group. It's targeting. Okay. But in Hyderabad, there are many people who are into 31 to 45. Maybe they have a chance of hair loss, but we can't guarantee that everybody might have a hair fall. Now, I'm between this age, but my hair is fine. So if that guy is showing an ad, it is relevant. Irrelevant. So there is one beautiful option in Google that is called keywords. Means you're targeting by place, age. Assume that you want to target only male. Everything is fine. But what website he's browsing, based on that also you can target. So here the option is nothing but I want to target the ad to the Hyderabad people, male people who are 31 to 45, and they're reading a blog. They should be read a blog where the blog is talking about hair fall, hair loss. If any such keywords there in the blog, show my ad here. Pon, you understood what I said?
Yes, I get it, sir.
So here keyword is nothing but if I say keyword here, it's not like something someone searching over here.
Yes.
Show my ad on the website who are talking about the keyword called hair fall. Now, my ad is not going to every Hyderabadi who are 31 to 45 male. No. 31 to 45 who reading the article. This guy is reading article means he's interested in this. For him, ad will appear. Okay.
Yes.
This is really smart way of advertising. Then what happens on TV while you're watching Kapil Sharma show or while you're watching IPL, credit ad is coming. First of all, you don't even have a credit card. What is the point of seeing that ad? 70% of the people don't have a credit card, but still,
Yes.
so they're targeting the larger audience. They have a lot of money, but advertisement should be done. You should be learned in such a way that if a small company comes, how to show the ad. So if a small company comes, you should think like this. Then your ad going to the relevant person. Now see this. So reading the article like hair loss prevention, 22 tips to help save your hair. Suddenly there is an ad like struggling for hair loss. Don't worry, come to us. We will fix the issue. That ad is going to be a good ad, and people will click, and there is a possibility they'll take a service. This is called keywords. So keywords is nothing but target group of website who are talking about the keywords. Remember that. So affinity means interest based. In today's class, I'm trying to explain all these things because this is very important. Keywords means show my ads on websites who are talking about these keywords. Finally, placement is nothing but particular website. Show my ad on cartrade.com. That's it. Placement means show my ad on the cartrade.com. Make sure that these people already have ads. While you mention that, Google will tell you whether they have ads or not. You can mention not only particular website or particular YouTube channel or particular mobile app. There only your ad will appear, which is really a good option actually. Like NDTV, you come to know that NDTV is showing the ads. Then you can mention that show my ad on ndtv.com who have a lot of viewership. Yeah. So display network, two important aspects you should remember. One thing is creating that nice banner because banner is very important. Second thing is whom you targeting. These two are very important. If done it properly, then this is going to be great. So this banner, you only have to create this banner. When you're working for the big company, there will be separate designers they'll be giving you. But when you're working with a small company, everything you only do it. This is one thing. And apart from that, second most important thing is whom you're targeting is very important. If you don't set it right, your ad is going to the relevant customer. Same like a credit ad who are targeting on TV. I watch that. I don't use credit card. So there is no point. In such a way, none of you using credit card. So many people are not using credit card. So they're trying 1 crore people on that, maybe 10,000 people using credit card, they'll be picking up. Credit will become a brand, but ad is going to the relevant users. So here it's not like that. This is a digital advertising where you have a flexibility of showing your ad to the relevant customers. Few more targetings are there. I'm going to show you in the tool. So today we'll explain few of them. And tomorrow we'll explain the remaining things. Everything is cool. Shall we move forward, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we are discussing today uh, when we have to use these ads. One company came to you, like there is a company called Delicious. Guys, I think you know about this brand, right? Order meat online. So when the first started their service, nobody knows what is Delicious. If nobody knows, then nobody search on Google order meat online bulke. At the time, you have to create a brand over the market. That there is a brand called Licious where you can order meat online. So in that case, this display ads will be very useful. Any startup company or any big company who want to do branding, this is good. Or any medium or low company as well. Nobody knows about the product. You should do the branding like this. Okay. Now let me go to the tool now. Okay. So I'm creating campaign now. We already have account here. So campaign. Okay. This account is not allowing me to create account. So let me switch account. Right. Let me create. Yeah. Right. So campaign plus new campaign. So create a campaign without a goal. Then I'm going for a display campaign. Run different kinds of ads across the web. Here, standard display campaign. Previously, they used to have a smart campaign. They removed it actually. So you have to mention your website details right now. Whatever your website is there, mention. So remember this website details in such a way that when ads are appearing, someone click on that, it has to go to that website. So for what website you're running ads. So as of now, I'm going for a ODMT website only. But for a digital marketing, I'm promoting it. So I'm mentioning the URL and mention the campaign name. Display, this is for your reference, campaign name, display campaign, Hyderabad. Yeah. So you just see the left hand side, all the options are there. We'll check one by one. Don't get confused. Search is different, display is different. But once you do it, you will understand. That's why we put two classes for this. One is this class. After that, I'll give you a task, finish it and come back. Then again tomorrow, I'll teach you some advanced options. So right now, my ad is going to all the countries and territories. So this is waste. If I'm providing digital marketing in Hyderabad, what is the point of showing everywhere? So total 10 billion impressions. Here it doesn't mean that 10 billion people, 10 billion times your ad will appear. So I want to target only Hyderabad. So selecting Hyderabad. It will come down now. Free Fire Mary, thank you. Okay. See here, it will come down anyway. Next, language. Language nothing but show my ad to the people who speak this language. If you want, you can target Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, whatever the language is, you can select it. So your ad will go to only those people. Okay. Location, language. Let's see more settings. If it is important, then only I'll target. Here, ad schedule. Ad schedule means your ad will appear 24 hours. If you want, you can control by Monday to Friday what time you want to show the ad. Like says that morning 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. I want to start the ad until 8 p.m. means 20. See, the impressions are coming down because you're limiting the time. And Saturdays and Sundays, I want to have a separate timings. So how to choose this timing? So initially don't select anything, leave it, let the campaign run for 1 week. Then you will understand what days the sales are good, what days if you feel that weekends sales are not good, you stop it. Some businesses like a travel, food, weekends will be very good. Maybe some education weekends are not good. So that you have to understood and give it. As of now, I'm just giving a random one. Right. So this is called ad schedule. To limit when your ads can run, set an ad schedule. Keep in mind that your ads will only run during these times only. E time running ad is remaining time ad will not appear. Then ad rotation. Ad rotation is nothing but you can give multiple ad copies. This is one ad copy, right? This is another ad copy. In such a way, multiple. But I don't know on this website what kind of space is available. That's why try to give 10 to 15 ad copies. Then what happens? Google will rotate the ads. Whatever the ad is best performing, that it will keep you as a winner. By default option is that. Or else if you want, you can rotate ads indefinitely. So let that option as it is. Next, devices. Where you want to show the ad. By default, your ad will appear on computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets, everywhere. But if you want, you can filter that. Assume that you want to have only on mobile phones, you can do it. Now, only on mobile phones, your ad will appear. Again, operating systems, where you want, whether you want an Android or iOS. I've seen that in Hyderabad, Oak Ridge International School, they are showing their ads only to iOS people because they feel that only they can afford their school. It's up to them. I should not you want to show it to only Android people. You can mention. Again, in Android as well, you have a control. What kind of phone you want to target? All the models are there. Google knows everything. What kind of phone you are using? Assume that you are using Samsung. In the Samsung, what model is there? Galaxy A03, A10, A10s, A11, A12. What kind of things? So many situations these are helpful. We'll discuss those things as well. I'm showing you these all the options are there. If you want, you can use it. As of now, I'm going for all the devices. So remaining options are not important as of now. Leave it. So location, language, ad schedule, ad rotation, and what devices. Next. Budget, how much you want to spend per day? Just ask your manager or team leader how much they're ready to spend. I just mentioned 1,000 rupees. And what do you want to focus on? This guy says the traffic. As of now, I'm not expecting a traffic. What I want is impressions. Impression means if the branding has happened, it's okay. Some companies will go for a impression. Some companies will go for a traffic as well. Okay. If traffic is there, it will go for a max CPC or or conversion based things will be there. But I always suggest to go for a impression. Which is the best option for you? Right. So here CPM amount will be charged for 1,000 impressions. Means 1,000 times your ad appear. How much you want to pay? I mentioned 400 rupees. This you will decide once you have experience. Okay. I just mentioned 400. We'll talk more about this in the tomorrow session. So when I mention this, right hand side, I'm saying that total 10 billion impressions are possible, and average CPM is taking around 19.13 to 79, and total impressions for your ad will be 1,40,000 to 3,20,000. This many possible, they say. Okay, next. Optimized targeting is set up for you. Ad targeting. Who should see your ad? We discussed, right? Targeting is very important. Whom you target. Till now, I targeted by location only. Location and language only, I said. But I want more. These all options I should want. Affinity, keywords, and placement. For this is an option. Let me show you that. Ad targeting. Yeah. See demographics, keywords, topics, placements. uh, Demographics. Let's see this. See, I want to target only female. Then I'll be unselecting them. Right hand side, you see the impressions will come down 2.7 billion only. And I want to target only male 7.2. I want to target both. So what is this unknown option, guys? I might have told you before. Male, female. What do you mean by unknown here?
Uh, like users without logging in,
Okay, right.
I guess.
Anyone else? Harsha, what do you think? What do you mean by unknown?
I think third gender, sir.
What? What, Harsha?
Incognito tab, open in an incognito tab.
Incognito. Okay. Some people says that this is about transgender, gays, LGBT community, but actual fact is maybe in the future Google might have those options as well. As the laws are becoming stricter, maybe that is possible. But at this point of time, Google consider general male and female only. Unknown is nothing but their gender. Google doesn't know because people might be browsing the internet without logging to Gmail account, or while they're creating a Gmail account, they haven't mentioned. So it's clearly mentioned you want your ads to reach people whose gender isn't known to Google. So that's why it's always better to check this as well. Now I want to target digital marketing. So I want to target 21 to 35, but 21 option is not there. So you have to go with 18, or else I want target by 25 to 34. I don't want all this. Then I'll be unchecking them. Again, here also unknown is there. Means their age also Google doesn't know. So let me keep unknown as well. So I want to target male, female who are 25 to 34. Google also have an option whether you want to target a parent or not a parent. Obviously, non-parents will join my course actually. But in what situation you should target the parent, guys? Someone tell me. Because there are options, right? In what situations you will target the ads to the parent? Any guess? Because there are options, right? For what kind of companies you will target only parents? Yeah,
Schools,
correct. Preschools or any college admissions, you want to target the parents only. So there is an option, just check it. Finally, Google also target the people based on their income. Top 10% means highly income people. This is means less, lower 50% means. How does Google know? Google know everything. What kind of products you are purchasing, where you're purchasing, how much budget you're spending every month. Based on that, Google have to decide. As of now, for the course, you can leave like this only. But when it is important means when you are working for Mercedes Benz, um, obviously these people will not buy this, right? 41 to 50% lower 50%. Only these high class people only buy. Then what is the point of showing my ad to everybody? So in that situations, you should target your ads to these people. So as of now, I'm living like this. So demographics is about this. Keep in mind. Next, audience segment. Here, click on the browse. Here you have an option called affinity. Here, so many options are there, but today I'm discussing about only the affinity. Affinity means their interest and habits. You want to target the people who like banking and finance, who like beauty and wellness, because Google know it based on their browsing behavior and all. Okay, home and garden, media entertainment, shoppers, sports, technology, travel. Now I want to target education. If nothing is there, leave it. It doesn't mean that every option you have to select. If you think it's relevant, you can go for it. Like yours is a travel company, you can select this. Business travelers, travel buffs. Here there are different family holidays, luxury travelers, snowbound travelers. Options are there. Okay, this is about the affinity, but there are so many options in the under our audience segments that I'll discuss in tomorrow topic. Next, keywords. I told you right. What do you mean by keywords, guys, in display network? What do you mean by keywords in display network? Someone tell me.
The, the keywords in the content, the
Yeah.
blogger.
Show my ad on the websites or blog who are talking about the particular keyword. For digital marketing institute, what kind of blogs are suitable? Tell me. What keywords I have target?
How important digital marketing in coming future, those kind of blogs.
So you should clearly mention that here. Career in digital marketing. Here also phrase match works. Same. If you mention means there should be a keyword like this. Broad match means if one word match also become. So career in digital marketing, salaries in digital marketing, best digital marketing institute. So whenever a person reading the blogs of with these keywords, then your ad will appear. Okay, these are the keywords. So keep on searching the keywords and push it over here. Now see here, when it comes to there is an option keyword setting. What the hell is this? Show ads to people likely likely to be interested in these keywords and also on web pages, apps and videos related to these keywords. But when it comes to this, only show ads on web pages, apps and videos related to these keywords only. So make sure that you select this option. This is called keywords. Next, few more options called placement. Topic we will discuss tomorrow. Placement means, what is placement, guys? What is the placement option? Only the particular website or particular YouTube channel. If I mention the website and I say that cartrade.com, then your ad will appear only on cartrade.com only. So those kind of websites, you can see carwala.com, cardeco.com. Or else if you don't know the websites, you want to target the websites related to career. I'm mentioning career. Now there are websites who talking about career, Career 7, Up Careers, Career India, Career Guru. You can select any one of them. So they are showing means these are all websites who have a Google AdSense account. Mean these are a Google Display Network partners. There your ad will appear. They are also showing how many impressions are coming. Now not only websites, YouTube channels as well. Your ad will appear to these videos. Again, so many are the abroad videos, or they're not only Indians. But don't worry, your ad appears on these people videos. We selected Hyderabad, right? When a Hyderabadi person, and the guy should be in Hyderabad watching these videos, no problem. Or else, if you want, you can select some Indian YouTube channels, particular YouTube videos as well. You can select particular YouTube video. Now, Ed Sheeran shape of your song is there. There only you want to show the ad, you can push it here. So that much of option is there. Now let me show you. Shape of your song is there. So in the YouTube videos, there only your ad will appear. That much of customization. The website, YouTube channel, YouTube videos are a particular app, your ad will appear. No, I'm not selecting anything here. I'm just done. That's it with the ads targeting. Next. So left hand side you can see here. Finally, the ad creation. We already gave a website details here. And what is your business name? ODMT. Now here, by default, it took some images. If you want, you can have your own images. There are two kinds of ads here. I'll show you one type here. I'll go for images. Already in our website, we have some images, but none of them are good. If you want, you can download from a Google and upload, or you can use some free stock images. Google also provides some images. So what I'm doing, I'm typing some digital marketing. It will scan the internet and it will bring some images. If you want, you can use these images. When you're working with the company, developer will be there. He'll be giving his own images. If you don't have, you can find this alternate. So assume that I'm taking this image. Select two ratios. Not only one image, you can take multiple images as well. Now I'm selecting one more and save. Now you can see automatically all the possible dimensions it's created the ad. I use two images will be utilized like this. This is called responsive display ad. One is a proper sizes will be there. I'll be explaining you the sizes actually. What size you want it should done by your developer. But if you don't have the developer available and you don't have a time, you can do like this. And then what you do is you have to add the headlines only. Just finish all the headlines. So learn digital marketing online 100% guarantee. Trained by experts. Let's free demo. I'm adding a multiple headlines. You see here, automatically that headlines will see. Call us for a free demo. One time this ad, one time another ad. It's taking. Now long headline. See multiple headlines added. automatically it is used. The specialty of this responsive display ads is these are compatible on desktop, laptop, smartphone, everywhere. We don't know what kind of space the website owner have, but this expensive ad will fix anywhere. That is the specialty of this ad. The quality might be guaranteed. See, this quality is great actually. Maybe these kind of quality is not great, but everywhere it is suitable actually. So tomorrow we'll talk about how to make these kind of ad, but today just go with a responsive display ad. And everything is fine. Just click on create ad. Then next. If any errors are there, it will show you the error. If there are no errors, it will move forward. It's checking for the errors. If the image is not compatible or if something is missing, it will tell you. So campaign, budget and bidding, targeting ads. First, we selected a campaign, location, language setting, then budget and bidding, targeting whom my ad should be go, and finally the ad I just now created. Finally, it's in the review process. Once it is done, it will be live. So campaign is Hyderabad. This is the URL targeting Hyderabad and Telangana. Ad schedule, we use ad schedule as well. This is the budget. Bidding is viewable CPM. We are spending 400 rupees per every 1,000 impression. We're targeting 25 to 34 years. Keywords also we targeted. And finally, one responsive display ad. It will be done. You will click on update. Your campaign will be done. It's taking some time. It's okay. Yeah, everything is fine. Then publish the campaign. Once you add the budget, your ads will be live in 24 hours. You will see the analytics as well. The analytics will show how many impressions, how many clicks, if any conversions are there, conversions, then which website your ad appeared, everything you will see, the data. At least once you run with 400 to 500 rupees, you will understand how it works. Guys, you understood the display network?
Yes, sir.
So when you're working for the bigger companies, they want you to do this actually. So once again, let me remind you. So display ad is image, banner or rich media interactive ad. Bidding type is CPM. Your ad will appear on Google Display Networks and YouTube. And you can filter by location, age, gender, affinity, keywords and placement. Few more targetings are there that we'll discuss tomorrow. So who will be using display network? The companies recently started, they need a branding, they go for it. Okay. Obviously, display networks conversions are very late. It will not come immediately because people are seeing just now. But only for branding, you should use this. Okay. What are important in display network is one is creating a banner and targeting. Both of them are important actually. So I'll give you task. You have to finish it and come back. Yashoda Hospital. They started a knee replacement surgery. Okay. And they want to target Hyderabad audience. For the audience, you should only create it. So I want you to create that banner ad. It will go to the only relevant customers. So how will you design that banner and whom you will target? It's up to you. Once you've done it, what you have to show me is once you have a campaign, whenever you targeting, just now the review was there, right? The last screen, the complete screen screenshot I want it, and finally ad. I want to see this ad as well. So how to see this ad? When you click on, once you create, go to ad part. This is the preview section. Here will be the URL is there. This is the URL. Just send me this URL so that I can check how is your ad. And you have to share it to me in the email. So I'll check like this. So I will see the ad. So I want to see how is your banner ad. At the same time, whom you targeting also I want to see. Okay. Any questions, guys? Everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harsha. So you can able to do it, right, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
What about you, Pawan?
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi? Chalo then.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Create and come back. Tomorrow I'll teach you some advanced topics like how to show my ad in a competitor websites. And yeah, those are really different secrets. Once you learn, you just go and work in real estate companies. You can really do wonders actually. Very few people explain about that. I'm going to show you. But before that, you need a practice. That's why I gave an overview. Prepare and come back. We'll see you tomorrow 5:30 live. Today I was late actually. By 5:30 we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, Pawan?
Okay, sir.
Chalo guys, thank you very much. Please practice and come back. And please send your ad copies to my email address. Thank you. Bye bye. People who watching online, you can also do it and send it to my email address. I think you have my email address. Pashmangalam786 at gmail.com. I missed at the rate, yes, 786 at the rate, yes, I missed it. Once again, type it. Pashmangalam786. One more thing, guys, I started a 6 months diploma course. If you have any referrals, let me know because we are paying 10,000 as a referral amount. Okay, so still we're taking people and we're giving a backup. As of now, 6 people have joined. Everyone is a referral only. So we're expecting total 20. If you have anyone, please let me know, or else you can mention their leads here so that you will get a referral amount of 10,000 rupees. Thank you, guys.